How to change Microsoft Edge to use Google instead of Bing. Microsoft Edge, the default browser in Windows 11, uses Bing as its default search engine. While Bing offers many useful features, some users prefer Google for their searches. If you're one of them, don't worry, changing the default search engine in Edge is quick and straightforward. Steps to set Google as the default search engine. Open Microsoft Edge. Launch Microsoft Edge on your device. Access Settings. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. Go to Privacy and Services. In the left-hand menu, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Adjust address bar settings. Scroll down to the Services section. Click on Address bar and Search. Change the search engine. Under Search Engine used in the address bar, click the drop-down menu and select Google. If Google isn't listed, visit google.com in Edge and refresh the search engine list. Things to note. New tab page search. The search box on the new tab page will still use Bing by default. To use Google, perform searches directly in the address bar. Customizing search engines. You can add other search engines or even set custom ones by clicking Manage Search Engines in the same settings menu. Why change the default search engine? Personal preference. Many users find Google's results more relevant to their needs. Integration. Google integrates seamlessly with other services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Maps. Familiarity. If you're accustomed to using Google, having it as the default search engine can enhance your browsing experience. By following these simple steps, you can tailor Microsoft Edge to suit your preferences, making your web browsing experience more enjoyable and efficient.